Y'all, on the menu today is a little bit different. Today I'm going to make some protein powder using navy beans. I'm going to go ahead and get my beans cleaned up. I'm going to pick through them and make for sure there's no rocks, bad beans, all that stuff. And go ahead and get these cleaned up so I can get them to soaking so I can cook them the next day. So the navy beans are now done. I'm gonna go ahead and put some in my air fryer. Yes, you guys, my air fryer. It has a dehydrator on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and start dehydrating these beans. All right, they have dehydrated absolutely perfect. You want them to get extra dry. I mean dry, because you don't want to set up any kind of bacteria in this part of the beans. And we're going to go ahead and start blending them up so we can start using them. Now some of them I am going to fresh seal for a later day, and I'm going to go ahead and use some now in my smoothies, y'all. In my smoothies, getting myself all the vitamins and minerals that I need that is in this good navy bean. So I'm gonna go on ahead and seal these up, and I'm gonna go on ahead and have to talk to y'all later. And I'm going to go on ahead and have to talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good day. I thank you all for coming on and joining me as I dehydrate some navy beans. All right, y'all. I plan to see you all for the next video. Like I always say, y'all stay safe. Always wash your hands and leave them shoes at the door. Until next time, y'all, I got to go. I'm finna go on to the stove. After I get through sealing these, I'm finna hit this road and get some more navy beans. All right, y'all, I am out.